What's up? Danny here. I'm here to assemble these new bungees on my Leaps and Rebounder. This is actually my very first rebounder I've ever owned. So I'm going to be assembling these bungees. So I got these brand new ones from Leaps and Rebounders. Great company. If this is your first time doing this, or you're replacing your bungees and feel a little overwhelmed, don't worry. It looks like a lot, but once you get going, it's really just the same step over and over and over again. I'll show you how I set it up and a few things that actually make it easier. Let's flip this over and get started. Okay, so just a little test here. Nice and taut everywhere. I want to make sure none of the metal pieces are touching the bar or the plastic piece right here, which looks good. Just go through each one. I know it's monotonous, but trust me, you're going to want to do this. All right, moment of truth. Let's turn it around. Looks like it's doing pretty good. Much better than before. That's it. You're ready. Take your time and you'll be fine. If this helped, stick around.